How to turn off email notifications on Pinterest. This quick tutorial will show you the latest method. First, open the Pinterest app and sign into your account. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. From the Settings menu, tap Notifications. After that, select How you get notifications. Here you'll see three options: push, email, and in-app notifications. Tap on Email to open your email notification settings. Now, turn off all the email notification toggles for the updates and alerts you no longer want to receive. If you'd like to stop all Pinterest emails, simply disable all the available email notification options. The changes are saved automatically, so you can exit the settings once you're done. That's it. You've successfully turned off email notifications on Pinterest. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tutorials.